guys, welcome back to the vlog. We just found a Lamborghini right now. We got the spoiler over right here, and the rims are so nice. And the inside of the car. Is this an Aventador?
Huracan.
This is a Lamborghini Huracan. This is what's inside, and it goes so fast. And like this is the wheel and everything. And then here's the front. This is the best Lamborghini I ever. So guys, we found a 2019 Lamborghini Urus. Damn, this car looks nice. Look at the rims. And actually somebody owns this. But my friend let me took a picture of the Lamborghini. This is the logo and everything. And look at the exhaust right over here. And it's so beautiful. And then you got like the Italian flag right inside. Yeah, this car is so beautiful. Oh, and also you got an SUV. This is the fastest SUV in the world. We got a Ferrari SUV too, 4 seats. That's nice. And look at the car, beauty. Wow, that is beautiful. Wow, that is so pretty. We also got a whole bunch of other cars, Range Rovers, Aston Martins, and we got like a GTR right over there. We are at the Lamborghini dealership right now, and guess what we just found? Mercedes Maybach. And look what's inside. It's so beautiful. I will own one, I swear. One day, the dealership. And guess what, right guys? Over here, this other cool Lambo. And another freaking Lamborghini. Oh my god. But I also love all of them. And this beautiful Porsche 911 Turbo. And it looks so beautiful right now. The McLaren right over here. They're also working on the other Lamborghinis. But look at this beautiful McLaren. My mom loves McLaren. And it's right on track. Oh my god. These over here. Beautiful race car. I think it's a Corvette Z06. But look at it. And also look at the behind right here. Yeah, boy. It's a Lamborghini race car. Oh my god, that's so rare. And look what they're doing to it. Oh my god, this race car is beautiful. Wow, it's Corvette. Lamborghini Gallardo. Ferrari right over here. Oh my god, this logo. Look at the Ferrari. Damn, look at those rims and the logo. And the freaking interior looks bomb. Right over here, oh my god. And got more stuff. And also they are fixing the Lamborghini. And it's so good. This is what it's like when it's on. Wow. The Royce. And my parents are checking out this car. We got the Rolls Royce back in town. Wow. Lamborghini Gallardo. We're now in the Lamborghini one. And so far, it's so beautiful. This car. It's a really cool orange car. Look at the rims. And it's a Huracan. Look at this. I mean, I would actually have this car, but I would rather have a Ferrari 458. You got the seats and everything, and then you got the buttons. Oh my god, that's so good. And this is the release for the, I think, yeah, the Urus. Right, guys, now you have the big exhausts. It's so beautiful. You got more Lambos. And it's so beautiful. And this is like more good interior and buttons. Oh my god. Look how shiny these cars are. You got more. You got rims. This is what? Look at this. Wow. And then you got more. And then you got more interior. And then you got another Lambo. I don't know if this is a Huracan. Let's see the price of this. I think I don't actually know how much of this, but they have an exhaust and more interior. Wow. And then and this. What? Oh my god. Look at the engine. It's a V12. The engine is supposed to be on the back. Oh my god. This is 462,000, my dad says. Look at this car, my favorite. Look at the details over here. The exhaust and the engine over here. Look at the Italian stripes, the rims. And you got another Lambo right over here. More rims. And look at this. The Lambo and the buttons and everything. Oh my god. That's beautiful. Alright, this is 540,000. How much is this one right over here?
This one is 344.
This is 344,000.
This is expensive.
The most expensive? I can tell from this.
How many dollars?
500.
We got the Lamborghini Urus hanging up on there, and and also a Ferrari that you couldn't probably see because it's a Ferrari SUV, and it's right over here. Wow. You need the keys to do it, and then there's like a button that will make you go like this, like all of the Ferraris do. But look at these things. And then you got some nice paintings right over here. Lamborghini dealership is so cool. See, you got a Lamborghini in like some city, and also this. Oh my god, we found some good cars too. We got the Rolls Royce, one of my favorite cars. We got this beauty right over here. We decided to take one. First luxury florist.
What are these?
I don't know what these are. Okay, but
Daddy, what are these?
we got the new Phantom Honor Road 101. This very nice Rolls Royce. And you see that Corvette over there? Yeah. Look at this. Wow. This is another Rolls Royce. And look at this beauty. You got the SK thing. Wow. That's beautiful. You guys had fun. We're gonna end the video right here. So